wrought iron bridge. Wow, look at that.
No water. Yes.
Wow, there's a wow.
Nice, really.
It's a little bit like Florence.
Yeah, there's some water to navigate. Guys, this
I'm taking
bridge
still.
is a very famous bridge. This one that we are
Look at the
now. This bridge was made in 1779 by a French guy. His name was Gustave Eiffel. It's the same one that made the Eiffel Tower, yeah.
Portugal, they had him too.
The
Everywhere.
bridge is even older than the tower that was made before. In that time, he was testing new techniques using metals, like these structures, as the Eiffel Tower. Testing, probably you don't know, or maybe yes. In Barcelona, 1888 was the first Universal Exposition. In that exposition, when they make the Columbus Monument, when they make the Arch of Triumph, when they make the City Park, Castle of Three Dragons, and others, before the exposition, when they was deciding what to do, Gustave Eiffel was in Barcelona with the Eiffel Tower plans. Would you like to do this tower here, guys? And then in Barcelona they say, no, it's too much. No, we don't gonna pay for this. And they cancel and miss the opportunity to do the Eiffel Tower in Barcelona. No? 1 year later was the exposition in Paris, 1889, celebrating 100 years of the French Revolution. And finally they make the tower in Paris, no? And now is one of the most famous monuments all over the world. Could be in Barcelona, no? But yeah. Now they make the Arch of Triumph in the same place where supposed to be the tower. That is also inspired in the French Arch, but is not the Eiffel Tower. But it's okay, we are happy with the Sagrada Familia, no? That is also very famous. Over there, guys, if you take a look, is one of the postcards of Girona. When you see the cathedral up there, the St. Felix Church to the left, and all these houses with colors here are part of the one project made in the end of 19th century, that a group of architects decided to put some colors in the old town. You know? And the most famous house, right in front of us, over there, the white and blue.
Yeah.
Can you see? White with blue windows. There is a museum now, that is the Casa Mazó. Rafael Mazó was the most important architect in the history of this town, and there was where he was living when he was a young architect, when he was around 20s, and he lived even with his parents.
Puerto Rican flag.
Very nice. The river Onyar again, guys. A shame to see no water, no? But yeah. When it's raining a lot, the water never touches the struggling because of the water.
Where? Oh yeah, look at that. They're spawning. They're spawning. They're laying eggs. Wow, look at that. Was it big? Yep.
I wish we could bring them water.
I think they're laying eggs and they're trying to...
Trying to lay the eggs.
What direction's the sea? That way or that way?
The sea.
Is that way?
Look, this is east. The sea is that way.
Alright.
Because he's tired.
Wow, look at that. He's a big boy. Either spawning, laying eggs, or they're trying to get into deeper water.
Both.
Amazing.